How to fix Snapchat My Eyes Only not working. So if you're facing a problem with Snapchat My Eyes, then first you have to check your internet connection. So if you don't have your internet connection, then you might find that kind of problem. Or you may have entered the wrong password on My Eyes. So that is also a problem. You can simply go for forgot password and then you can open your My Eyes, but all of your photos or videos will be deleted. That's the problem. And if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply go and open up your settings on your phone, and under here you will have apps and notifications. Go for that and then tap on see all apps, and here you can go and search for Snapchat, and after that here you will have storage and cache option. Tap on that and then tap on clear cache, and after clearing all of the cache you can go back, and then if that still doesn't fix your problem, you have to open up your Snapchat application. And after opening your Snapchat, you can simply go for the upper left corner which has your Bitmoji, and then you can go to settings which is on the upper right corner, and here scroll down and you have to tap on clear cache and tap on continue, and you have to clear all of the cache that is on your Snapchat. And after clearing, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last way is to uninstall your application, and then after that you can again install that. And after installing, you can log into your account and then you can open your My Eyes. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.